To obtain a new boating license card in 2025, follow these steps. First, determine the type of license you need, as different states have varying requirements. Typically, a boating license is required for operators of motorized vessels, and the minimum age requirement is usually 16 years old. Next, complete a boating safety course approved by the National Association of State Boating Law Administrators. These courses cover key concepts such as boating safety, navigation rules, and emergency procedures. You can find a list of approved courses on the U.S. Coast Guard Auxiliary website. After completing the course, gather the required documents, including a government-issued ID and proof of residency. You will also need to provide your social security number and a passport photo. Once you have all the necessary documents, submit your application to your state's boating authority. You can usually do this online or in person. Be prepared to pay a fee, which varies by state, but is typically around $20 to $50. After submitting your application, you will receive a temporary license, and your permanent license will be mailed to you within a few weeks. Make sure to carry your license with you whenever you operate a motorized vessel. It is also important to note that some states require a vision test and a background check. Be sure to check with your state's boating authority for specific requirements. In addition to obtaining a license, make sure to follow best practices such as always wearing a life jacket, carrying a first aid kit, and being aware of your surroundings while operating a vessel. By following these steps and staying informed, you can enjoy a safe and enjoyable boating experience. Remember to always follow the rules and regulations in your state and to respect the environment and other boaters.